Right, so the idea of the equation of a tangent, okay? If you draw a line that touches the parabola, okay? Think about it, when you draw a line that touches the parabola, anywhere where you draw a line, like you can draw a line there, and it touches the parabola, or you can draw a line there, or line, it's called a tangent, because it only touches the parabola. Now, how to find the equation of that line? The first thing you want to find is the gradient of that line, because it's going to be a straight line. But what's the gradient of that line? Okay? So remember, the derivative, what we did with the fx plus h minus fx over h, is we said the derivative is actually the gradient of a line, the tangent. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is to find the derivative. And so it's going to be negative 2x plus 2. That's the derivative of this. So when I want to see, for instance, at 0, let's say here when x is 0, okay? When I put 0 in, when I say f dash 0, it gives you negative 2, 0 plus 2, which is going to be 2. So the derivative at 0 gives you a gradient of 2. So that means when I'm at 0, and I draw a line here where it touches at 0, when I draw a line there, and it's only touching the graph at 0, okay, then this line must have a gradient of 2. Okay, let's say I want to know what's the gradient at 1 when I substitute 1 into the graph. What's going to be my gradient? Then f dash 1 will be negative 2 times 1 plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So now my gradient is 0. And I can see when I'm there and I'm drawing a tangent, I can clearly see that this line has a gradient of 0. And when I want to draw, let's say at 2, let's make it 3. If at 3, f dash 3, if I want to know what's the gradient at 3, I substitute 3 into the derivative, and then negative 2 times 3 plus 2, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So that means at 3, my gradient, I can see it's very steep downhill. It's going down. Very steep. So this line will have a gradient of negative 4. And then because I've got that coordinate, here I've got this coordinate, there I've got this coordinate, I can substitute the coordinate into the equation, y equal to mx plus c. I know the gradient for each one. I put in the x and y value where it touches, and then I find the equation of that line.